Hello hearts, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me, Isang. I'm very excited to share with you my recent experience in Cuyo, Palawan, where I got to experience the beauty of slow living. Join me as I take you through my daily life in this peaceful island paradise. One of the things I love about Cuyo is the simplicity of life here. There's no mall, no traffic, just the
So
sound of
good.
the waves and the warmth of the sun. My partner is from here
So
and
let's go. Come on.
I've been lucky enough to experience the island life with them. My days in Kuyu are pretty laid back. I spend most of my time cooking, doing household chores, and exploring the island with my partner. We love taking walks along the beach, collecting shells and sea urchins, and even fishing. It's amazing how these simple activities can bring so much joy. Lawrence, ito na ako ngayon. Yan. Bale, may nakuha na tayo. Kaya konti lang yung nakuha natin. Kasi, parang, yan siya. Diyan Meron ako nakuhang balat. Ayan siya. So, it's okay na rin naman. So, yan yung harap. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa bato. Yan yung bato. Yan. Kaso malikot yung kamay ko. Oo, kaso malikot yung kamay ko, te. Sige. Sa Raul. Okay. Ah. Doon natin. Shortcut ya. Ako naman. Ililibot yan doon sa may sa may lambat. Abit ako naman. Jaman mo kababaw para dyan.
Yun na yun?
Ote, ako naman.
Dito? Nandaling surface.
Diba? Nakakapagod. After a day of exploring, we like to unwind by watching TV or taking a ride to other barangays. The island life is all about slowing down and appreciating the little things. It's a great way to recharge and refocus. As I reflect on my experience in Cuyo, I realized that slow living is not just about the pace of life, but also about being mindful and present in the moment. It's about appreciating the beauty around us and finding joy in the simple things. Thanks for joining me on this journey to Cuyo, Palawan. I hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into my slow living experience. If you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, I encourage you to take a step back and appreciate the beauty around you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. I think that's all for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!